Hi, Deborah with Nefarian Party here, and today I'm going to show you how I make a tutu for my tutu diaper cake. You will need a cardboard cut 12-inch, size 12-inch because it's for an infant. 4 different tools. Well, you don't need 4, but I'm using 4 different colors. My theme is fall, so I have like a yellow gold, red, orange, and brown. I have a headband scrunchie. I got this from Hairbow Center. Then I got my tool from Hairbow Center as well. Some scissors, and I'm gonna put a bow on it, so I have some 1.5 inch ribbon. I'm gonna make my own bow to put on it when I'm done. And you'll need like a glue gun, hot glue gun, to be able to put the bow on. First, I'm gonna cut the tool. I need 100 pieces of tulle. 120 pieces of tulle because it's going to be 3 layers, but my bottom layer is going to be doubled, so I can have a nice and full tutu. So there's 4 colors. I'm going to cut 30 each. Start at one end and just wrap it around. Just cut at the ends. Alright, now that your tulle is all cut out, we're going to start with the bottom layer. I start in the back, and the back is where the seam is. Doesn't matter where you start, that's just where I start. I'm going to start with the brown. So on the bottom layer, I'm going to double up. So I take 2 pieces, put them together, fold them in half, and then fold it in half again and pinch the center. When you grab it, you'll see a little loop. Let's see how close I can get. You see the little holes? You're gonna stick it into not the very bottom, but like right above it. Hope you can see that. I'm going to try to show you the loop. Alright, let's see how close I can get. To loop it, you're going to put the entire folded piece inside the hole. Then open it up and stick the end in, grab it with your fingers, and just pull it through. And that's what you're going to do the entire way around. So if you want to skip the video, that's pretty much what you're doing this entire process. Now I need to make the bow. cut a long piece. Ooh, looks like a fail. I don't know, I did it. I'm going to trim the ends. Make sure we're going out, out. Got my bow. Now I'm going to attach it to my tutu with some hot glue. Alright guys, my tutu for my diaper cake is complete. Now I just need to make a diaper cake to go with it. Thanks for watching. Bye.